Video na.
Saan ka? Ito na lang ako.
Taas naman ito.
Saan ko? Asa ko? Ako. Dito ka o sa gamay.
Bahala ka na sa buhay. Ayun sa ano, ayun sa dito ko. Papicture ka mamaya. Mamaya.
Very sorry, just because it's dark, I have to ask you to have your leg over.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Kaya mo ba?
Yes.
Naka-short ka naman eh. Mag-hi ka sa ano mo.
Sa camera. Mag-hi ka na sa camera dun.
Ilang camera to?
Tatlo. Tarik sa'yo.
Kaya ano ba? Makalipong eh.
Kaya take off the dollar. Kaya take off the dollar. So, kaya?
Asa na to itong mga kaobang senior, oy?
Alam na sila.
Kaya nga.
Basta makainin siya.
Welcome aboard the Rose Carousel.
Basta makainin siya.
Please hold on to the pole in front of you. Please keep your feet in the stirrups and do not move on or off the animals, chariots, or the ride itself while the carousel is moving. If you need help, call out to the operator for assistance. The ride will start when you hear the bell.
Daming ko.
Please remain seated until you hear the bell ring and the ride has come to a complete stop. Please do not jump off the animals. If your animal is too high and you need assistance, put your hand up and we will come and help again. Please step down between the animals.
Jo, tarong jo, ikat kapag. Uy, nalipong ko.